Hey, what's good, my people? So guys, today I want to show you how you can make a withdrawal from your Vinancee account. Okay guys, some of you are having a problem on how to make a withdrawal, but first, before I show you how to make a withdrawal, guys, I will show you how to deposit. If you want to deposit funds on your Vinancee account, don't go here. Some of you are going I don't know where you're going. I don't know, is it dashboard? Yes, I don't know. For me, guys, I don't deposit like that. If you want to deposit money, just go on the dashboard like that, and then you click these three dots on your left, and then you click manage wallet. All right. I figured some of you are clicking on these three, the dots that are in your on your right. You see, that's where you guys are clicking. You don't have to click there. You click on this one, and then you go to manage wallet, guys, and then you go to funding, right? And here on funding you choose USDT, all right? And then you click deposit. Put amount is maybe you want to deposit $1,000, and then submit, all right? And then here, guys, you copy this address, all right? And then you go to your Binance or your any wallet that you have, and you paste the address, and then you take the screenshot and you put here and then submit. You see, you need to make sure all these are ticked. You can see right now I have copied and there is a tick. If I upload the screenshot, there will be another tick, and then the submit button will work. This submit button won't work if you have not copied the address and put the screenshot here. All right, so that's on how to deposit. So next, I want you to show you how to make a withdrawal. So if you want to make a withdrawal from your spot wallet, you go to manage wallet also, and then you click on spot, tether USDT, view. All right, you see on my spot wallet I have 1,381. So I want to make a withdrawal of $250, 1,250. Okay, so the rest I can remain with the on trading. So I'll click on withdraw, and then 1,250. All right, guys, you see here the charge will be $6. It's a bit high, but I have already made profit, so there is no problem. So, and I will receive 1,243 after withdrawal. So I'll click on submit. All right, and then they'll ask me to put my my USDT address. So here what you do, you go to your Binance or your Bybit or any, and then you click on add funds. You can see right now I have no funds on my Binance, so I'll add funds, and then choose network Tron TRC20, copy the address, and then put it here. All right, like that. So now I'm waiting for the withdrawal to be processed on the blockchain. You can see I'm waiting to receive 1,243 dollars. So we usually give it about 1 minute to 10 minutes maximum. So let's give it some time, then I'll get back to you and refresh. So guys, as you can see now, I have got a notification here. You can see deposit is processing 1,242. I don't know why they're saying 242. Oh, if we round this off, it's 243, 1,243. We can round the 5, it will be 3. So yeah, so let me refresh here. If I refresh, you see it's 3 minutes now. They have not yet approved, but I think they have sent. And if I refresh again, guys, you see it's now approved. It's now approved, guys. So that is how you make a withdrawal. So now if I go back to my Binance, now, see I had no money there. Right now I have 1,000. I had that time I had 1,000 on. I had 15 USDT. I have 1,258. If I go to assets here and refresh, you see the deposit is here that I got. See 1000 to 42. You can see, guys, all these are the deposits and the withdrawals and the tradings from Vinancee.com, guys. So that's how you make a withdrawal, and that's how you simply do what? Deposit. If you want to know how to trade, come to my TikTok account, guys. Here, see, this is my TikTok account. You follow me here. I have videos of millions of money, and that's how it works, guys. Thank you so much for your cooperation, and if you have any other question, don't forget to text me up. Thank you.